Here she goes. Good girl. Sit. Go get it. Whoa, watch your dog. Watch out for your baby. Sit. Lexi's teaching her puppy Mia how to play fetch. Sit. You're gonna run into Mia, I just know it. Sit. Go get it. Mia. Sit. And she drops it. Sit. Mia. This way. I need it a little bit closer. I don't want to get up. Bring it here. Bring it here. If you want me to throw it. Mia. Come here, girl. Mia. What's she doing? Come on. She's hopping like a little bunny. Sit. Go get it. Sit. Yep. Sit. Go get it. She hops like a bunny. Oh, how did you get out? This would be Lila. And the other puppies want to come too. You can hear them barking. Hi, Lila. You escaped. I think we need to make our opening a little bit taller now. That's Lila on Lucas's lap. Be nice. Don't pinch her. Don't pinch her. She likes you now. She might not like you if you pinch her. That's Lila over there on the chairs. Hi, Lila. Lila. And Mia. Sit. Go get it. This is Lila. Lila with Lucas. You be nice to Lila. I mean Lily. This is her name's Lily now. Hey, Lily. You. She loves you, Lucas. She wants to give you kisses. Don't pull her hair. Oh, nice puppy. Oh, nice puppy. Okay, Lila. Or Lily. Oh, no. Oh, she just wants to give you a kiss. Want to see the duck? Lexi, where's your ball? There it is. Okay. Good. Okay. Lexi. Oh! Watch where you're going. Go get it. You can tell when Lexi has her ball out, she doesn't care about anything else, does she? Okay. You stay. Sorry, they're getting so close to me. That's Lila behind Lucas. And this is Mia here. Come here once.